All right, so this week we have talked about where commas belong in a series and that we need them after introductory or order words at the beginning of a sentence. Remember, our thinking question for commas in a series was, is there a list of 3 or more words in this sentence? If so, a comma belongs after each word in the list except for the last one. For introductory words and order words, our thinking question was, is there an introductory or order word in the sentence? If there is one, you need to put a comma after it. All right? So you are going to work through page 191 in your reader's notebook. You're going to read each pair of sentences and then just fill in the circle next to the sentence that uses the correct punctuation and what you have learned. Okay, so you're going to work through this. It's kind of like a test of your common knowledge. You're going to pause the video, do this page, and then come back. Now that you're feeling pretty comfortable with commas and how to use them in a sentence, in a series and with introductory words, remember we talked about sentence fluency, and we've talked about that a lot. Combining those short, choppy sentences to form a series can make your writing a lot less repetitive and easier for your reader to read. Okay, let's look at some examples here. This is page 193 in your reader's notebook. Here's some choppy sentences. He needs rope for climbing. He also needs gloves for climbing. He needs boots for climbing. Come on. That is really hard to read because it's so repetitive. Let's see how we can combine them to make a series. He needs rope, gloves, and boots for climbing. Hey, there's our commas in a series. And it definitely is easier to read and less to write if you're the writer. Okay, so here's choppy sentences. He wrestles, he scuba dives, he rides a bike. Combined, okay, this is combined predicates. He wrestles, scuba dives, and rides a bike. Okay, your activity is to combine each group of sentences to form a series of nouns, verbs, or phrases. And then you're going to write the new sentence on the lines. This time you do need to write the new sentence because it'll be a lot shorter. You're going to add your commas where they're necessary. This is, again, just a really great way to review all the things that you've learned about commas and how to put them in sentences, and also kind of a wrap-up of sentence fluency and bringing those choppy sentences and combining them to make more sense and be less repetitive. If you have questions, please ask your learning adult. They will be able to help you.